If you don't like sci-fi getting real but want useful tech, watch CES 2026, where helpful robots meet everyday life. It's happening in Las Vegas, Jan. 6.9 this year. CES is back and the headline is clear. AI goes physical. Expect humanoid robots on display across the strip. Expect robotic arms on show across the strip. Expect AI drones buzzing over venues all week. Expect self-driving cars cruising the Las Vegas Strip. NVIDIA is turning up the heat with more than 20 demos. A CES Foundry session with Accenture will focus on physical AI. The company highlights a coming boom in robotics and autonomous vehicles. South Korea's LG will unveil CLOID, a humanoid home assistant. It features two 7DOF arms and 5 actuated fingers, built for real dexterity, not just for show. The K-Humanoid Alliance is bringing a robot pavilion to CES. 40-plus organizations will participate in the pavilion. It's backed by top universities around the world. It has 224 members. This is a global push. CES Foundry debuts at Fontainebleau, Genre 78. It's a hub for AI research and product demos. It will also showcase blockchain startups and solutions, and spotlight quantum projects aimed at next-gen computing. A place where startups and investors meet the tech shaping our next decade. Industry players say physical AI could transform millions of factories. From assembly lines automating repetitive manual tasks, to last-mile robots handling deliveries and pickups. Quick take: CES 2026 isn't just about smarter software. It's about machines that move in real settings. Machines that grasp objects with real dexterity. Machines that work alongside humans in daily tasks. Stick around. This week could be the moment robots start being our co-workers.